my favorite place. Oh, look at this view here. What did I do? Okay, we're gonna wait for someone to pass here because this is nice lighting. Photography, most of the time it's about waiting, so you should be patient, take your time, never be in rush. But not on a wedding, that's a different thing, but here nobody's rushing you. Someone just to make it. Yes. We can move on. We're gonna go around this building and try to take some nice photos from all of the sides. And if I have time and if it's open, I'll go to Munch Museum. Really like the glass that is covered with snow. It's beautiful. Yeah, looks fantastic. This is one of my favorite spots. I love the reflection of the Munch Museum. Sculpture here, but it's not illuminated. I don't know why the whole city is illuminated, but this no. Here for somebody to pass and take a shot of him, some reflection. I think that here I might end up the video. I'm gonna make a couple of more shots and go visit Munch Museum. Let's see. Folks, that's it for today. I think we've got great shots. I'm here in front of Munch Museum. I will go to see the most famous painting of him, the Scream, so I can scream a little with it. I really enjoyed it today. I hope you enjoyed it also. Put likes please and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye.